You getting excited? Okay, well, I hadn't seen any videos out there on how to install a pet door on a garage door, so I thought I'd try one. I'm doing the PetSafe Aluminum Pet Door medium size. Here's the box. Here's the door. Looks pretty neat. I've already done a few things. Here's the instructions. Got a little template that I already cut out. And this is pretty easy. I wasn't going to show the whole thing of this. Cut this out, taped it to the garage door, and drew the outline. Now I'm about to start cutting with a 3/8" drill bit in the corners. So then I can get my saw in to trace the lines. We'll go out and do that. You can see this template tracing on here. You can see the edge, but anyway, I tried to do it, you know, said about 3 inches at least, probably for structure, stability, or whatever. Kitty, are you ready for your door? Huh? She's the reason they're putting this door in. But anyhow, so I got the template on here, and I tried to do it in the middle of this little decorative section. Hopefully I'm not going to screw this up and have to buy a whole new garage door. We'll see. Alright, we'll come back in a second, and I'll use a 3/8" drill bit to drill in the corners. Okay, so here I go, trying to get this as level as possible. Hole number 1. And then I'll do the next ones and turn it back on. So here are the 4 holes. Some of that insulation stuff's coming out, but once we get the door in there, it should be okay. So now I guess I'm gonna use the saw and connect the dots. All right, I'm about to use my scroll saw. Wasn't sure, don't know much about blades. I'm not a big DIYer. But it looks like I'm going to try this fast metal 20" per teeth one. Just because of the description. I'm sorry, the smooth metal 36 teeth per inch. Right there. Because this on the back, and I might be wrong, someone can put it in the comments if they want. Smooth metal, smooth cuts in metal. That's what I want. I really don't want to deal with any jagged edges. So here we go. Okay, I'm about to use the scroll saw and just follow the lines. I do have my goggles on just because I don't want any shavings coming up and hitting me. Alright, I got hooked up on something, so I'm about to start it again here. There's one down. It's not perfect, but I'll turn it back on when I've done the other 3, so you probably don't want to watch that. So okay, there's the hole I ended up with. I hope to the good Lord that when I go in and get the door, it actually fits. We'll see in just a second. So it actually fit in the thing, so that worked out well. So now I'm gonna It says I need to mark these holes. Mark them in the inside here, and then drill. I think it's 1/4-inch holes. I'll tell you in a minute after I do this. Okay, now I'm gonna drill 1/4-inch. I'm gonna drill from the outside because I didn't want the drill to push all this out. So doing it from the outside in. It says do it the other way, but I'm just gonna do this as level as I can. It's really close, closer than I expected. Going off to the side here. Might not be the best drill bit. So there's one. I'll do 2, and then you don't have to watch me do all of them. Alright, 2 more to go. One thing a little odd to me, here's what the screws and the bolts that we'll put on the outside, or through it. I'm surprised it's not metal, but we'll see how it works. I've got the holes drilled, and now I'm supposed to go on the inside and put the plastic and metal on the outside. So we'll see how this works. Okay, so what you're supposed to do is put this through that and into the outside. I'm going to repeat that for each of them. I guess it'd be easier just to look. Okay, so the plastic things go there. Now come around to the. So I'll start down here, and I guess you just. I'm supposed to. Oh, so I guess I did this kind of backwards. I guess you put this in here. And you screw that. And the line will work the other way, each way. It's kind of straight a little bit. I'm just going to kind of turn that on there. And when I get it a ways, I'll push it through. And the other side has screwdriver holes where you can screw it, but I figure this is just as easy with your hand on this side. And there's going to be some excess that we'll end up just cutting off. So I'll just kind of get this going as far as I can with my hand, where it's gradually going in there. And once again, I'm not going to bore everyone with the other side. We'll go to the other side real quick. And I'm going to push that metal part in. Oh shoot, I need to fill it. Okay, and then you need a Phillips screwdriver. It says make sure you do not over tighten. I can kind of hear some cracking. It seems pretty tight, so I'm just going to kind of do that for starters. I'll do each one like that, and I'll show you the end result here. Okay, here's the semi-finished product. I'm going to take some cutters and cut these flush. And even though it is getting nighttime out here, it really didn't take that long to do. I was just trying to be extra careful, just because I didn't want to totally destroy my garage door. But Seems to work good. We'll test it with the cat here in a few seconds. Forgot one thing that I was going to edit on here. I am going to caulk all around the side. Because, you know, there's all these little holes through there, so I'm going to caulk all that. But I didn't figure you'd need to see my messy caulk job. Anyhow. Yeah. Okay, I guess we're going to push her through it first so she knows what she's in. She's like, what the hell is it? Here, you can come through there. Kitty, kitty. Good girl. You want to go back in? See? There you go. Here, come on through. Kitty. She's purring, but...
She wants me to pet her.
Kitty, come here. Come here. Kitty, 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 kitty. Come here. Come here. I guess it'll just take some time. But... Here, let's see. Kitty, go in. Put it down. Alright, well, anyhow, you can put any comments if I did anything stupid, which I might have, but hey, I'm just glad it's working at this point. You gonna go, kitty? Habanero, go in there. Go ahead. Yeah, she's not sure about how to fish. This might take a while. Or she's gonna use it as a rubber. Something to rub on.
Habanero, come on. Good.
Alright, thanks. Bye.